Good morning, everybody. My name is Sania Begum, and my seminar title is Mobile Data Management by Using Crowdsourcing. These are the contents that I will explain in the seminar, that is, introduction, objective, key challenging problems, study area and methodology, future work, and the references. Introduction. First, we shall discuss about crowdsourcing. What is crowdsourcing? Crowdsourcing refers to a distributed problem solving model in which a crowd of undefined size is engaged in the task of solving a complex problem through an open call. This tutorial presents the fundamental concepts behind crowdsourcing and its applications to mobile data management. Smartphones offer a great platform for extending and diversifying web based crowdsourcing applications to a larger contributing crowd, making contribution easier and omnipresent. This advanced seminar presents the fundamental concepts behind crowdsourcing and its applications to mobile data management. This is a diagram of crowdsourcing for mobile data management. That is how crowdsourcing will perform in mobile data management. Crowdsourcing with smartphones. A smartphone crowd is constantly moving and sensing, providing large amount of opportunistic data that enables new services and applications. Objectives. Crowdsourcing applications on smartphones can be classified into extensions of web-based applications or as new applications. Intrinsic characteristics of mobile devices and mobility. Taxonomy of crowdsourcing in mobile data management. Similarities and differences to other domains. Crowdsourcing from different perspectives, that is database, crowd database, Quark, Deco, and HLog, World Wide Web, information retrieval, human computer interactions. Key challenging problems. Smartphones feature different internet connections modality that provides intermittent connectivity, for example, Wi-Fi, 2G or 3G or 4G, as well as peer-to-peer connections capabilities that provide connectivity to node in spatial proximity. For example, Bluetooth, portable Wi-Fi, or the new generation NFC. Study area and methodology. Mobile crowdsourcing systems, that is commercial systems, Mega, Pisa, Gigwalk, Jana, Waze, Scoopshots, etc. Opportunistic urban sensing systems, V-track and pothole, noise tube, earphone, etc. Spatial and spatio-temporal systems, that can be airplace, that is indoor localization, smart trace, trajectory similarity, crowdcast, neighborhood interactions. Crowdcast. What is crowdcast and how it can work? A highly desirable function for mobile devices is to continuously provide each user with its geographical nearest neighbors in real time. Such a service realizes the special operator that solves the continuous all key nearest neighbor problem efficiently. Such an extended neighborhood sensing capability for mobile user enables several novel applications. For example, it would allow somebody to send out SOS beacons to its geographically closest neighbors and save them from a life-threatening situation, enhancing public emergency services. These are the screenshots from an example application. Future work. We expect that crowdsourcing with smartphones will evolve rapidly in the future. So, smartphones network comprise a new computations system that involves the joint efforts of both computers and humans. The unique data generated by the smartphone, sensors, and the crowd's constant movement will enable new challenging applications and the solutions of harder problems than crowds can currently accomplish. These are the references. Thank you.